In this video, I'm going to show you how to take off the throttle body on a 2010 Mazda 3. First, you want to take off this hose by removing the 3 clamps here and here. And then when you get those out, you remove these as well. Just pull back on this, pull back on that, and next, you want to unplug this connector. There's going to be 4 bolts that hold this. There's one here, one there, and then one right over here. Let's remove those. Before taking off the manifold, take needle nose pliers and remove this clip. Try to pull this off. You might be better off taking it off like this. There's one on the bottom right here as well, on this side. One right there. So you want to take that one off as well. Just slip out like that. There you go. Now, to make this easier, you could take the air filter off. I didn't want to because I know I can just get in like this. Look how dirty this is. We're gonna clean it now. You get one of these at your local store, or I'll have links in the description below. It's basically a throttle body cleaner, and that's what I'm gonna use to clean this. Basically spray some on paper towels and just go at it. Look at that. Ooh, this stuff reeks. So in hard to reach places, I used a screwdriver with a rag and spray in that corner, and then just slowly get in there and clean it. Take off the gasket by just pulling it out, and also cleaning this groove and the gasket itself, just so you have a better seating. As you see, mine was a little warped, so I might just replace this. Now I put a rag under here so you can hold it open, so I can clean under this side. Now that it's all clean, we'll put in the gasket and it'll be ready for installation. Now, before installing the gasket, I would also spray it with this cleaner and just wipe it down with a new towel, just so that you get all the grease and gunk out of it as well. Now, if you need a new gasket, I'll have a link below for replacements. Now, there's these tabs that will basically tell you whether you're putting it backwards or not. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support this channel by subscribing below. If you'd like to support this channel, please see my affiliate links in the description below for the products I use or for replacement products for this car. I'll see you next time.